Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a set of a bunch of little dogs. We're gonna open this up and check it out. Looks like it came kind of sort of vacuum sealed. We'll see how this ends up. Yes, it filled up with air. Okay, so let's see what we got here. And I'll show you all these little puppies it comes with. Let's see if I move, maybe I'll aim you down a little bit. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I'll show you all these different little puppies. So we have a little mini poodle. This one here. We've got this dog. This one. This one. Look at all these puppies. It's a whole bag of dogs. It looks like they're all different too. Actually, this one might be different colors than the other one. This one here. Here. Look at all these puppies. They're so cute. My dog's going crazy. She wants to eat all these up. Look at these. Oh, so adorable. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, a little Dalmatian. Look at that. This one here's so furry. This one looks like my Penny, kind of. Very much so. Okay, that. Oops. She'll eat that one up. There's this dog. This one. This one. Oh, look, so many puppies. And then these two. Look at that. How cute are all these? This one here has a neat little necklace. Some of them have necklaces, some of them have bells. So super cool little set. I like it. Thumbs up.